Afternoon, class. Welcome to another supplemental lesson for math. Today we'll be converting mixed numbers into improper fractions, so please write that on the top of your page. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then please, of course, write your name. Starting with the first one, let's go ahead. So we've already talked about converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. However, with converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, it's a little bit easier, I would say. It's more so of detail. So a little bit of multiplication and adding, but that's mainly the main focus of having improper fractions. So starting with the first one, let's write 7 and then the fraction 3/5. With that being said, to get the improper fraction, let's start with the numerator, which is 5. So please write down for the part of the answer a line and the number 5 at the bottom. After that, with this, I don't know if you can see my little mouse, but now we're going to take this to get the top number, or the top part of the fraction. So right now it should be the line and 5 right here. So we're trying to find the top number. So first we're going to do 5 times 7 plus 3. Again, we're going to add 5 times 7, which should be 35, plus 3 equals 38. So the answer should be 38/5. And there it is, 38/5. So next we have, let's go ahead and do number 7. Same process, we're going to just write it down. We're going to do 3 and then fraction 1/8. So starting with the numerator, we're going to write 8. And so the denominator, which is the number on top, what we're going to do is 8 times 3 plus 1. 8 times 3 plus 1. So when you're trying to find the denominator, you're going to start with the bottom number for the fraction, multiply it by the whole number, and then add it by the top of the denominator of that number, and you'll get the denominator of the improper fraction. So 3 times 8 equals 24, plus 5 equals 25. So you should have 25/8. And let's go ahead and just check our work for that. There we go. It's right there, 25/8. Okay. Let me do one more. Let's start with 19. So it should be 5 fraction 1/5. Multiplying, what we're going to do first, we're going to put the numerator, which is 5. And then the denominator, we're going to get 5 times 5 plus 1. 5 times 5 plus 1. Like I said, whenever you're going to get the denominator, you're going to multiply 5, or the number from the bottom of the numerator, to the whole number, and then add the denominator. So 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 equals 26. So now you have 26/5 for number 19, which is right there. Alright guys, and let me know if you have any more questions. Again, it's pretty difficult to not write everything out in front of you, but I hope this video explains in detail how to do so. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.